So guys, OnePlus Nord 2 5G official trailer leaks and main highlights. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1200i SoC and packs a 4500 mAh battery with 65-watt charge support. OnePlus Nord 2 is an upcoming mobile by OnePlus. The phone is rumored to come with a 6.43-inch touchscreen display. OnePlus Nord 2 is expected to be powered by an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor and come with 8GB of RAM. The OnePlus Nord 2 supports face unlock as far as the cameras are concerned. The OnePlus Nord 2 is rumored to pack a triple camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel camera, and a 2-megapixel camera. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It is rumored to sport a single camera setup for selfies, a 32-megapixel primary camera,